Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ka Dr. Tara Douglas ka Badai ka Research Fellow jong ka Department of Anthropology ka School ba Northeastern Hills University ha ka khadar tarik unay ber arajar arpuway kalapan banapaj ba bakani ka department kan sa penlong ya ka Jingtip ipaj ba ya ki Durki lingba ka animation lingba ka Wancho animation workshop halor ka Jingim jong ki Jaidbynriew Wancho ki basyong basa ha ka Jilla Arunachal ki balasdang Bando Jang. Haka jingya keren bat kilat patahai kubor ka Dr. Tara kalaya thoru ba kani ka project kadai ka badang syusdang bat shen kan sanang pentenlun ya kani ka project jongka ha ka ban lum Jingtip syapang kiwei pat ki Jaidbynriew reulum ki basyong basa ha kani ka than chatai lam mi ngi ki balasdang Bando Jait kum ki Jaidbynriew lepcha hasikim bat kiwei de ki Jaidbynriew reulum khnang ban yo abu ya ka jingtho ka babanya na ka benta ban ai Jingtip sha ki pateng ki ban sawan shushu kalaya thoru ba ya kani ka Wancho animation workshop kaba arta yo kanthi kaban salong nodo ka khan rew tarik unai leber arajar arpuway bat kaban sakut pat hado ka lai pho tarik unai leber arajar arpuway an sa penlong ha Department of Anthropology ha ka bakindon sikiway pat kinong isimbenta na Bangalore na Kolkata ban na Andhra Pradesh bat kiway di kibala sha khot snob ha.
It's a research project and media project. And it's kicking off here in Shillong at the Northeastern Hill University at Nehru in the Department of Anthropology. We are organizing the 2-week-long workshop. It's the Wancho Animation Workshop. And we are inviting at least 18 participants coming from outside of Shillong. There will be a group of people from the Wancho community in Longding district in Arunachal Pradesh, and we're also inviting some students of animation and digital media and also some media professionals. And this project, this event is bringing together this group of people, and we're going to look at the folklores, the mythologies and the oral histories of the Wancho people in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, this project also has involved and is currently involving field research, whereby the researcher and media people, we go off to the village and we interact and we communicate with the elder people, and we record their stories and their memories and their folklores and their mythologies, and then we translate it into English, because it is being told to us in the native tongue of Wancho language. And then now, this is the next phase here at Nehru, whereby we're inviting this group of people to now do the next phase of translation, which is from the text, right? From the oral to the text, and now to the audiovisual medium. And we've choosing one of these Wancho stories, and we're going to animate it. We're going to turn it into a short animated film, and it's going to be the first animated folk tale based on the Wancho oral traditions. And really I wanted to tell you about this because this workshop, which runs from the 16th, we're having our inauguration on Tuesday at the ICSSR conference room on the Nehru campus. This kicks off our 2-week-long program. And in this program we are going to be doing storytelling sessions, translation of these stories, and we're also, finally, one of the outputs of this project is going to be an anthology of Wancho folk tales, bilingual. So it will be in English and in Wancho language, and it will be available for researchers, for general readership, and also for Wancho people, because they've only recently developed their scripts and they don't have any reading material, so now this collection of their own folk heritage will be available to them in their own script, in their own language, as learning material. And this animation film, it's going to be part of a collection of short animated films from different tribes, different communities in northeast India, of which the next chapter will be, after this, will be Thankul from Manipur. These 2 chapters have been sponsored by the Northeast Council to see how we get along, and it's the first time that this stories from these very remote, very distant, very neglected communities is going to get out into the world, you know. And okay, so on the one hand, the reason for doing this project is the fact that, you know, the modern way of life is kind of threatening these traditional narratives, this traditional storytelling. So the younger people now are, you know, they're having to, of course, go through the formal education system, and they are no more hearing the stories from the elders, so this rich heritage is getting lost. So we're trying to preserve it on the one hand and document it, but also not just preserve it and keep it in some archive, but make it available to contemporary young people, try to re-engage the young people from these communities and from Northeast in general in this rich storytelling heritage. And how to do that? Well, this medium of film and animation is so attractive, and it's so widely available now on the mobile devices. Everyone is looking all the time at their mobiles. Why should people in this region not be able to see content on their mobiles which is actually culturally relevant to them? So that's what we're hoping to do with this project. And this is just really like a first little first stage of this workshop of assembling all these people together from different parts of India. We've got students coming from Manipal Shrishti Manipal Institute of Art, Design and Technology in Bangalore. We've got people coming from there. We have got students also coming from the National Institute of Design in Andhra Pradesh, and also from the Jaidbynriew Film and Television Institute in Kolkata. And we've also invited some independent media producers and designers based in Northeast. So some people will be coming from Guwahati and from Gangtok, Sikkim. So it would be fantastic if we could also have some participants and some people coming from Meghalaya, which is why we want to tell everyone about this project and invite people to come.